your hands dirty in our
what is up,
simulated
everybody?
mechanics shop.
We're back. I did play a bit, got them all gold, except this one. I haven't done this one at all. 0%. So let's try it.
Hello, human. This is an accurate simulation of auto mechanic. Take a look at this board for instructions.
Okay. Pull the chain and ready. Okay. We're called the Grifty Lube, I guess.
Good morning, human. I require a tune-up. Please take a look under the hood.
A potato.
This spot just needs a little fluid. No problem.
A little fluid, which is fluid. Aha!
This vehicle's power source appears to be unacceptably inefficient.
Parts? What? Wait, what? What? Parts? What do I do? I don't... Drop part. What the? It's like it turned it into stone. Whoa, turned it tiny. If I do it again. Still let me. Yep. Wait, is it a chart? Oh my gosh. Hot sauce. Aw. I don't know what parts is, bruh. Parts. Oh. Okay. The potato. For an engine? This thing? Batteries.
Well done. That's looking very car. Press the button to drop it back down when you're finished. In shops like these, everything had a price. Make sure you bill the customer for the use of your highly valuable time.
What? Oh. You got scammed, bro.
Oh, thank you, human. I'll get this taken care of right away.
Ooh, a frisbee.
Very good, human, but we're just getting started. The world
supposed
of
to throw
auto
that?
mechanic
Oh.
has so much more to offer.
Okay. We're gonna try to get as far as we can.
Human,
looks
I've
sick.
got this coupon for a Sleazebot special, whatever that is. Says that there's a discount, so hurry up and take care of my car. Get a move on.
Human, over here. I'm Sleazebot, the owner of this fine establishment. Now this bot's got a coupon, so let's take real good care of him by sabotaging their car and making him come back later for more work.
Okay.
Okay, pistons in the engine? Don't need those.
Yeah, just recombobulate the thing there. How about my Headlight fluid. How's that looking? Yeah, I know about cars.
Headlight fluid. You name it, we got it. Get this bot some headlight fluid, human.
Fluids. What kind of fluids? Am I just supposed to spray it? Wait, what did I do? Oh.
Hey, human. While we're dealing with fluids here, why don't we spice up their gas tank with a little secret ingredient that'll ensure they're back later for more work?
What is it? What's the secret ingredient? Left? Stash. Sugar. It seems fun. Okay.
Now give them this new coupon I came up with when you're done messing with their car.
Oh, another coupon, is it? I do like discounts. You've really earned my patronage, good human.
Nice job with that, Bob. You did all right, human. Now you keep at it. I'll be in the back counting the money.
Big back, big back. I'm a big back, guys. Flying disc. Whee! Don't think that was meant to fly. I love fluids, guys. It tastes so good. Oh yeah. It tastes so good, guys. Ugh. Okay, I'm full. That doesn't mean I don't love fluids. Oh yeah. That's just me. I'm puking up.
Well, I just got this beauty at the local junkyard. Just needs a little love so I can drive legally. What do you say?
Get that out of here.
Human transport vehicles had to be evaluated for safety regularly. Broken components like these headlights would have to be replaced before evaluation.
Wait, what?
The air filter's not doing too good either. Want to take a look at that?
Yeah, filters under the hood, human. Keep up, all right?
Boop. Air filter. Bro! Bro!
Oh, wait. Now, how about my rust problem? Figure you could cover that up with a fresh coat of paint?
Whoa.
Well, that looks good as new. Makes that old hood ornament look
Aesthetically displeasing.
think you can swap that out with something new and shiny?
What is that? Rust bucket? Is it in here? Okay, rust. Maybe it's at the back? This thing? Right. Left. Straight. Wait, what? What is a rust bucket? Air filter. I do not understand what I'm supposed to be doing here, guys. I'm just not doing it. Oh, this thing!
Well, reboot my hard drive. It's like a whole new car. Drop it down and give me that bill so I can show it off to my buddies.
Yeah, definitely not missing anything. See, printer. Wait.
Thank you kindly, human.
We're gonna try to get this gold today, boys.
Hello, human. I am required by law to do emissions test on my vehicle. Get it done so I can get out of this dump. Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, at least he said thank you. Lift a car back.
This looks like a lot of work. Let's see if we can figure out a shortcut. Check my stash. See if there's anything in there that could help us. Oh, banana. That'll do. Well, this car is looking a lot more appealing. My work here is done.
Back when cars were driven by humans, drivers would use air fresheners to improve the breathing quality of the air within the vehicle.
So I need an air freshener. Ball. Where's an air freshener? Oh, I need banana. I need banana. Come on, before I put this thing. So good and tasty. Oh yeah, take it.
So, does this mean I passed? Well, I did my part. Catch you later, human.
Okay. Hold on, I want to go see how much more levels we have. Bye!
Hello, human. Grab a cartridge from the tray. A true grease monkey. Get under the hood and get your hands dirty in our simulated mechanics shop.
Oh no, he's calling me a grease monkey. This is gonna be a long video.
Hello, human. This is an accurate simulation of auto mechanic.
Oh yeah. Hey, give me that donut.
I'm just having the worst day ever.
I
My
don't
tires
care.
are shot and I need some replacements.
Just try some gummy bear surprise. Oh yeah. She wants the old card. It's one of these, right? Yeah. Get on. Oh. Okay. Now what?
Could you put a spare tire in the back of my truck so I'm a little more prepared?
Dang, look at that price.
I'm pretty sure my engine's overheating too. It's making all kinds of weird noises.
When objects are too hot, fluid can be used to cool them down.
Oh, jeez. It's hot, eh? Let's help that cool down.
Things are looking a bit better, but I spilled my slushie on the way over here. Could you fill it up for me?
Before nutritional implants, humans also needed fluid from time to time.
Oh, I can place any oil I want in there? Bet that. Hold on, I gotta reset it. I'm gonna give her a gummy bear surprise. I got all that. A bit of this. And a bit of this. Some antifreeze. And I think we're done here. Here you go.
Thanks, human. Maybe this day's gonna turn around for me after all.
No.
Anyway,
After that,
drop my car down when you're done and let me see the damage.
I love this. Oh, so yummy. So good and tasty. Here's the bill.
Oh, this is nothing compared to my student loans. Thanks for getting me back on the road.
Yeah. Sure.
Back in the age of capitalism, shops like this would be hesitant to question a customer's needs.
Hey, human! I need an emergency paint job. I suddenly decided I hate the color of this car. Totally normal thing to do. I'm not on the run or anything.
Give the Spot whatever they want, human. It's not our concern.
I could really use some more gas, too, if you want to fill it up. I've been on the run. I mean, I've been having fun. Fun ride. Just, put some gas in, please.
Let me get my gourmet drink. Oh yeah. Hold on, I know it. Load up with this meat stuff.
Great! Let's wrap this up by giving me a new license plate? Yeah, just to really drive home that unique new look.
No, don't think you're getting away that easy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Watch it burn. We gotta finish it off. Oh. That looks gourmet. I want to set on fire again. Oh yeah. Now you're gonna be fast, bruh. This one.
Perfect. Just finish up whatever you're doing and drop the car so I can leave normally. Okay, just give me the bill. You know I've got the cheddar. You never saw me, all right?
Oh yeah. Run it, run it. Oh yeah, look at that pipe go. So,
Hey, human. I'm participating in a car show tonight, and I want to look my best. Think you can give my car a looking at?
This one's all yours, human. Just drop the lift when you're done.
×3?
I, was thinking mostly stuff on the, outside of the car. But, hey, you're the expert.
What? What do I do? Oh, a light. I think? There isn't a light on here. What? Car ×3? What? Oh! This is what it means. Oh no, it means this. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop. Gotta get my favorite drink. Oh. 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 Get in there. Front. Bloop. Bloop.
Nice. Looks and smells fresh.
Uh-huh. So, what do I do now? Because I put all the things there. This doesn't make sense. What? What am I supposed to do now? Why is there a hand in your... What the... Aw, what a baby hand. Hey, sucker! I seriously don't know what to do. What? What? I don't know what to do. There's literally, I've checked every side. There's nothing I can put anything on.
Does it run faster without those? I can
Oh,
see
yeah.
you're busy, so just drop the car when you're finished with it, alright?
Oh, I just had to take all those out.
Hey, you know what? You did a pretty good job with this. Just hand me the bill and I'm out of here.
4,000. Whew.
Alright, human. See you again sometime.
Yeah.
Okay, human. There's a big race going on today, and I've decided to sponsor it. We're guaranteed to make lots of money off this. We just need some advertising. This is the sign we're gonna put out. Start by hanging some decorations on the sides there. Use anything, whatever looks good. Here's some old paints I had lying around. Paint something cool in the middle, then hand me the paintbrush when you're done.
Where's the paintbrush? An all green canvas. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try to say don't come. Don't come. Oh yeah. Okay. I think that's all for right now. Give me the paintbrush. Get back to him. This thing's a mess.
That looks, good enough. Out it goes. Now we just sit back and wait for the customers to come swarming in.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I was racing super fast as usual, and out of nowhere there was all this oil and debris, and I spun out, and my car's all messed up now. So what's the deal? Can you help me or what? Hurry up! Come on!
I don't know what to do.
Give this bot the best we got, human. These racing types are always willing to shell out the money for the top brands.
I got you, bro. And then one gold tower to show off how good this will be. Oh, you stupid. What the? I took it off, didn't I? Okay. This. What? Oh yeah.
Okay, maybe that'll work, but I feel like we could go even faster. Could you load up the 404 with some turbo knobs? The fastest you got. Pour it right in there. Let's do this. Come on, let's go.
Got you, bro. I love this stuff. But I mostly love this. Oh yeah. Whee!
Interesting. If you're sure this will work, I trust you. Okay, now it's time to win this race. I'm out of here. Let's go. See ya.
Doesn't seem like he's going so fast.
Cool. Hey man,
Can you help me clean out my traveling van? It's kind of gnarly in there, and I'm
gnarly?
getting some weird vibes.
Nah, gnarly that. Pizza.
You got anything to help out with the small?
Nah, this is gold. Nah, you deserve. I can. I have to give her a treat.
Alright, that's looking a lot better. So, I'm trying to go fully green, man. Could you switch my, battery out to something that really vibes with my style?
Got you. Why do you have so many battery cells, bruh? What? Nuh-uh.
Oh, I love it. It's totally green.
Oh yeah. Pay up.
Alright, human. That looks good. I'll see what I can do about this bill.
Okay, let's see how much more we got of this level, bruh. And plus my dude, I think does need a bit of a cleaning again.
Hello, human. Grab a cartridge from the tray and let's get to work.
Oh,
A true grease monkey. Get under the hood and get your hands dirty in our simulated mechanics shop.
Yeah, this video is an hour long. I already know it.
Hello, human. This is an accurate simulation of auto mechanic.
Six more, boys. 6 more. Is that safe?
Hey, Sleazebot, I got the car just like you asked. Let's hurry up and get to work before he comes looking for it.
Oh, human, this is a special job. We got to strip this thing down for parts. For reasons. Come on, human. Grab everything you can. Hurry up. What's a bot need an air filter for anyway?
Got you, bro. Got you. It's in the back.
Nice. Those will be easy to resell.
Give me those.
Nothing too small to loot. I like your stuff.
Hello. Here he comes. Act natural.
Why does
it took me a while to find where you parked my car, Valet Bot. I never would have expected you to get it tuned up for me like this. It's great. Are you done with it? Can I drive it home? A free tune-up? This is the best valet service ever.
Nice job. I'll be back for my share of the earnings later.
Let's just call that last job a little bit of personal business. Just pretend you never saw anything, all right?
I got you, bro.
Wow, that car looks pretty messed up.
Oh, you gotta help me, human. I took my dad's car out last night with my friends, and now it's a mess. He's gonna kill me.
Okay, this won't be too bad. Just clear off those branches for starters. That, novelty air freshener looks incriminating. Better remove that, too.
Okay, I just realized he's totally gonna know I used the car because the mileage counter. Can you do something?
Yeah, classic. I used to do this all the time when I was a kid. Just throw the car in reverse and put the pedal to the metal.
There's a bit more evidence in the trunk. Do you think you could get rid of that too?
Oh, is there a body? Good times.
Okay, great. Just do anything you gotta do. Just bill me when you're done. I still have my dad's credit card, so...
Tubes. There's just all sorts of tubes. It's a wild world. It's a wild world we're living in. These cars. Yeah, you know, there's a car. There was this one car, and it had a, you know, there was a square
thanks, human.
metal thing.
I'll get this squared away later. You're the best.
Front part of it. Oh, really? Yeah, inside the front section, with the lid that you pop open the lid on it. Yeah, there's like a metal piece in there, just a real kind of square-shaped almost, or a little more detailed than just square, but it's a piece of metal.
Yo, I just inherited this car from my rich uncle. You gotta help me make it look as awesome as I am. Pick out a paint color that really reflects my personality.
I got you. Oh yeah, pink really announce your personality, bruh.
Check out the metal.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you know,
Alright, interesting choice. Let's make this car look a little more sick. Hang something cool on the inside there. Something that expresses who I am.
It's funny, I remember, you know, not to make this about me, but,
What?
you know, back when I first was learning about cars
to
and all
express
the
you who you are.
square metal chunks. I was just learning it from, you know, somebody who told me about it, and it was a fond time in my life when I was learning about all that. Yeah, I remember, you know, when I learned about all there is to know.
Solid choice. I feel that. I'm all about the cosmetics, human. You gotta stand out.
About
I got this custom piece of hardware off the internet. Why don't you throw it on there for me? Yeah, right on the tailpipe.
I mean,
The what part?
You and I are in the same boat because I'll never forget where I was when somebody told me about all that stuff. Yeah,
yo, my hood's looking empty. You gotta help me spice it up with some custom bling.
These cars are just, you know, I could talk all day about how wonderful they are. You're listening to Car Talk here on 10011100001 radio.
Nice! This thing is looking seriously sick!
No, it doesn't, but okay.
What do you feel about cars, Henry? Oh, yeah.
What is this?
Henry,
a bill?
I like cars.
I'll get my dad to take care of this.
I'm a car character, you know? I'm just all about cars. I mean, I'll answer any questions about any kind of car you want. All right, Henry. Yeah.
Every year we have a bloke in the local
co-host
parade.
I've ever had.
We get to decorate this thing with a bunch of grifty loot pots and build a mayor for it. It's great.
FM.com.
So let's give this thing a what? How about a fresh coat of paint?
1011000 FM.
I got you.
Boy, these cars, you know, do they get
Anchor.
any more car-like? Could you get
yeah.
more car-like? That's like what that one character used to say on that one prime
Those circular platforms on the corner are where we can display some parts. Fill them up with stuff you want to showcase.
In the 90s, he used to go, could you get any more car talk about cars in here? Oh, yeah, I know all about what you're talking about right there. That's a real great reference about cars and just tubes. And, you know, my name's Henry, and you're listening to Car Talk Radio on 001001110 radio. What's the next topic? Well, up next we're just going to talk about just cars. So, you know, it's always struck me as funny how the car, there's that part of it that
Nice. Now, what's a float without some dangly bits? Attach some stuff on the sides. On those little pegs.
Thing unfurls, you know, it sort of folds open. or unfolds, I should say, against the car's side, sort of opens. And every car has at least 2 of them, you know.
There's
a lot of cars have 4 of them. Oh yeah, there's plenty of cars that have got 4 of those. I mean, those are real something else. I mean, you gotta.
This looks great.
You know,
we're gonna
God
get
broke
so
the
much
mold
money from the
when you
mayor.
came
Drop
up
it when
with
you're done, and we'll send it out.
Hinge things.
Parades were celebratory events where humans drove slow processions of decorated vehicles in a line.
Hingy things. You know, I you know, you look close at them. And
Do not care.
You know, not too many. I don't see
Let's
too many
see how
tubes,
much
though.
we got left to go.
No, yeah.
This video is long.
A lot of tubes.
Hello, human. Grab a cartridge from the tray and let's get to work. A true grease monkey. Get under the hood and get your hands dirty in our simulated mechanic shop.
2 more! Finally! Finally. Then we're gonna see what happens when we complete
Hello,
all of them.
human. This is an accurate simulation of auto mechanic.
I'm sitting down. Yeah. So, why do you have a lemon on top of your head?
Hello, human. I recently purchased this car to promote my new smoothie business. I was told it was a lemon, so I thought it would be great. I don't understand what's wrong with it. It's making a sound like... Could you take a look?
Lemons everywhere. We'll need to do some serious de-lemoning on this vehicle.
Ooh.
Excellent. This is literally the best service I've ever had.
That's looking better. Feel free to drop the vehicle when you feel it's unlemony enough.
I'm going to have this passed off to my personal accountant to be taken care of. Have a highly functional day, human.
Okay. Last level, boys. Last level.
Hello, human. I'm on my way to get married. I thought you could help me decorate my car with some...
debris.
Decorate
Following a marriage ceremony, it was an ancient human tradition to attach garbage to the back of their vehicles for attention.
Okay. I mean, he's getting married, so.
I think we need more debris. Debris equals love. Put it inside, put it outside, put it everywhere.
Okay, you're getting a little bit too hasty with this, bruh.
Looks amazing. Now for one last tradition. Break a bottle of my family's finest grape juice on the car.
Dang, pretty good grape juice.
You've done
Not
so
as
much
good
for
as
us. It kind of feels like you're part of the wedding party now. Do you have a gift for us? You can just throw something in the trunk.
I got you, bruh. I'm gonna give up my most favorite drink ever. I feel so sad.
Oh, wow! A gift? You shouldn't have.
Here's some more.
Think you're gonna get a discount on this, buddy? Wedding jobs are double price.
Oh.
Is this sound if it...
Well, I'll sort this out. Gotta get going or I'll be late.
Well, I'd love to keep exploiting this free labor, but that's all I got for you, human. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Nice.
I hope this has given you a better understanding of what it was once like to auto mechanic. Well, you know how to get back to the museum if you want to. I'll just be hanging out here while you do whatever you want. There you have it. You now fully understand what it was like to job. And that means your time here in the job simulator is complete.
Oh yeah.
Wait, Jobbot! We've done it! The research and development team has created a way to job differently! Stand back, human! Oh, haha, yes!
What great timing!
Job mods?
This should help with museum human retention. Give these job mods a try, human.
Whoa. Dollhouse mode? And I can stack them. Low gravity mode? Bouncy mode? Aww. Well, we'll explore mods later. Thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye.